How to apply for a child's U.S. passport. To apply for a U.S. passport for a child under age 16, you must complete Form DS-11, the application for a U.S. passport. You can fill it out online and print it, or complete it by hand using black ink. Do not sign the form until you are instructed to do so at the passport acceptance facility. You need to bring several original documents along with photocopies. These include proof of the child's U.S. citizenship, such as a certified birth certificate, consular report of birth abroad, or certificate of citizenship. You must also show proof of your relationship to the child, which is often provided by the same birth certificate. Other legal documents, like an adoption decree or a court order establishing custody, are also acceptable. Each parent or guardian must present valid identification, such as a driver's license or passport. A photocopy of the front and back of the ID must also be provided. Both parents must appear in person with the child to provide consent. If one parent cannot be present, that parent must provide a notarized Form DS-3053, known as the Statement of Consent. The DS-3053 form must be accompanied by a photocopy of the absent parent's ID. In cases where one parent has sole custody, legal documentation such as a court order or death certificate must be provided. You must also bring one recent color passport photo of the child. The photo should be 2 by 2 inches and taken within the past 6 months. It must have a white or off-white background. The photo must clearly show the child's full face. The current fee for a child's passport book is $100. The passport card is optional and costs $15. There is also a $35 execution fee paid separately to the acceptance facility. Payment methods vary by location, so it's best to check in advance. Once you have all the documents and payment ready, submit the application in person. You can apply at a passport acceptance facility, such as a post office, clerk of court, or library. For urgent travel, you can apply at a passport agency. You can find the nearest facility at iafdb.travel.state.gov. After submission, you can track the application status online at travel.state.gov/passport status. Standard processing usually takes 6 to 8 weeks. Expedited processing takes about 2 to 3 weeks for an additional $60 fee. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.